Okay, this is the 66th edition of the Winter Nationals, which we are holding in Pune. This is being held after a gap of 15 years, but Pune has been a very popular destination for bridge events, the nationals, and national ranking events. This time the event is being held at the Shiva Chhatrapati Sports Complex at Kalewadi. The event is going to be held from the 8th to the 18th of December. Several new events and several new prizes and felicitations have been planned this time. The event is mainly being sponsored by the Ashok Ruya family, those who own the Phoenix Market City Mall in Pune, and allied businesses. Bridge is a game which does require a lot of support, a lot of financial support. Bridge has been recognized as a sport now by the Government of India. We are now affiliated to the Indian Olympic Association, Sports Authority of India, and we have received a lot of government sponsorship, and India is sending teams regularly to international events
with government support.
And we will continue to receive this government support and recognitions
In all categories.
in all categories, including right from junior.
Yeah, from the age 11.
From the age of 11, there are I think about 3 junior categories, and then of course the open category and the senior category.
This game is in the Asian game or?
This game is held in the Asian Games and Commonwealth. India has done very well in bridge in the last Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, where we have won gold, silver and bronze across various events. This is also one of the events where the winners are automatically qualified for the selection trials to select the Indian team for various international events, especially the World Cup, Asian Games and Commonwealth. One of the major thrusts that BFI and especially MBA is taking now is promotion of bridge and bridge education. And Mr. Anil Padde here is in the forefront of these activities, along with MBA President Mr. Deven Doshi and the Secretary Mr. Hemant Pandey. If you want to know further details, I think Anil sir here will be able to brief you more on the education and promotional activities which are going on. I'll start by introducing the people, our officials on the panel today. Immediately on my right is Mr. Anil Padde. Mr. Anil Padde is one of the living legends of bridge in India, multiple international, multiple national winner, and currently he is taking up a passion of bridge education. After him is Mr. Keshav Anand Samant. He is the Senior Vice President of the Bridge Federation of India. Also a bridge player, renowned bridge player in his own right, multiple national winner and international. And the prime mover behind these national championships, organizing these national championships. In center is Mr. Jay Mallar Bhosle, President Emeritus of the Maharashtra Bridge Association. Also has held posts in all types of associations associated with bridge, from the Bridge Federation of India, Maharashtra Bridge Association, Pune Region Bridge Association, and the Thane Region Bridge Association.
Local bridge winner also.
And a very enthusiastic participant and sponsor of bridge teams in India.
State and national also.
Dr. Avinash Deshmukh is the Vice President of the Maharashtra Bridge Association, and Mr. Milind Bhadbade, who is the President of the Pune Region Bridge Association.
Individual game. It is a pair game. You need to have a partner, and the partnership forms the team. So it's a 6-member team usually. At a time, 4 players they play.
How many players?
There is a saying the women's team and mixed.
Yes.
There is no men's team.
See, there are 3 categories: open, mixed, and ladies, and seniors.
Open, everybody can participate.
Okay.
So it is not restricted to men.
Men or women.
Yeah.
Restricted to all age group. Open category.
And then like a winter national, there is a summer national also.
No, there is a summer nationals also. Bridge Federation of India conducts 3 championships, national championships. One is called the Winter National Championships, another is a Summer National Championship, and there is one more that is called Interstate, where only state will have representation in interstate, while other 2 championships are open. Any player in any group can participate in these championships, as long as they understand the game very well. And this is the International Championship is supposed to be one of the topmost championship of the federation. And it has the largest participation also in all categories. Nationwide, whatever the championships are held, International Championship has a pan-India larger participation. All people come because basically it is in winter and there are no holidays around and all that, so it becomes very suitable for everyone to come. Summer slightly travel and other things become difficult, so Winter National attracts more and more players. However, the International Championship, Summer National Championship are the same grade. There is no difference in the grades.